Assalamu alaikum. This is Coach Zubair from Muslim Mastery and I have some exciting news for you. Can you be super excited to wake up every morning? Is there a paradise on this earth and can you enjoy it? Do you really have to do it all alone or is there massive help available for you? The answer to all of these questions is yes. There's one simple thing that you can do to achieve all that's a promise of Allah, who does not break His promise, and He is able to fulfill His promise. He says, and whoever fears Allah, adopts the taqwa of Allah and keeps his duty to Him, He will make a way for him to get out of any difficulty, and He will provide for him from sources that he could not imagine. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ. Now the question is, how do we adopt this taqwa in various situations? How do we make it easy for ourselves to adopt this in all the situations? A man like you and I once asked one of the scholars of Islam, Imam Ibn Qayyim rahimahullah, what is the advice of scholars regarding someone who is drowning in a disease or a bad habit or laziness or lack of purpose or lack of direction or in an addiction, and he knows that if he should continue it would destroy this life and the life after. He has tried hard to get rid of it, and every time he tries harder and harder, he's sinking deep into it. So the Imam Ibn Qayyim rahimahullah wrote a book in response to this. This book is known as The Disease and the Cure. He looked at the root causes of our desires and actions. He talked about preventing bad habits, responding to bad habits, clarifying our goals and objectives, the concept and power of love, and how it shapes what we do, how to get the divine blessings and assistance in living a full life, and how to live in the paradise on earth. Using this book as basis for transformation to live in the paradise on earth, combining with our personal contemporary analogies, metaphors and examples and case studies of people that we have been involved with, we will be sharing with you a series of 30 episodes that will enable you to transform your life in all areas and start living in the paradise on earth. We'll help you to get clearer on your objectives, on your goal, so that each day you're waking up with passion, excitement, and have the clear vision of what you want to do on that day. We'll be releasing a new episode every Tuesday, inshallah, as well-designed videos along with a blog entry and accompanying audio podcast. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook or Instagram so that you get the notifications with every release on every Tuesday, bi'idhnillah. I look forward to having you all join me in this journey and achieving amazing, massive breakthroughs with divine assistance. Bismillah.
Da